Hi everybody, welcome back to the Crochet Nurse channel. Are you ready for the Mary Maxim unboxing? This is Mary Maxim Crochet Kit of the Month, and this is for the month of, maybe see it better on the side, and this is for the month of December 2020. If you like this kind of content, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell. So let's get to it. And as we've done in the months past, I'll set this aside for just a minute. As we've done in months past, we kind of review last month's to see what was going on there, and then we'll move on to this month's. So last month's pattern, this is what we got last month. We had a scarf and 2 hats, and for the yarn for the scarf was the spinella, and you can actually see that I'm wearing the scarf. I have completed the scarf, and I did use almost all of the yarn. This is what I had left, just a little bit of a handful. I made it actually longer than what the pattern said. The pattern was very easy, not a problem, just mostly double crochets. The pattern actually called for it to be in rows this direction. I didn't like that, simply because for people who are heavy, having diagonal rows like this makes them look even heavier. And so I wanted mine to be a stripe this direction, so that's what I did. I made it a stripe, and then because I went ahead and made it, instead of 62 inches long, I made it 80 inches long. I went ahead and added pockets at the bottom. So these on each side, I have nice deep pockets, and so it's a pocket scarf. And then the other thing that I did, and you kind of see it here, is I made a keyhole, and so that way I can cross it when it's underneath my jacket. I can cross it, and I can wear it like that as well. And so it serves a double duty. And so I actually like it. I was going to give it away, but then I decided I like the colors, and the colors do not look bad on me, especially that purple up against my face looks pretty good. So that's that one. As to, we also got 3 cakes of the Peruvian alpaca, and I did make the 2 hats with it. But you know what? I've already given the hats away as gifts. They're in a box on the way up to the East Coast. And so let me tell you a little bit about those. So this is how much yarn I had left out of the 3 skeins of the Peruvian alpaca. So I used 2 full skeins and maybe 1/3 of this. So roughly 250 yards to complete the 2 hats that we had the pattern from Mary Maxim. Both of these patterns were super easy, so I did not need to put out any video to help because they were straightforward beginner pattern. This is the beanie. Stitch definition looks pretty good. And then on this one is the cuffed hat. They say they both came out very nice. And there you go. So not bad on the hats, right? Got those all finished, and as I showed you, I still have a little bit of yarn left over. And I did not mind the Peruvian alpaca. I didn't. Once I got it out and started playing with it, it is a little bit of a split city, but you know, I'll put a video at the end talking about the Peruvian alpaca and then the spinella as well. So let's get on with what that was last month. And so let's move forward. I'll get this out of the way, and let's move on to this month's. And this, like I say, this is a fatty. I can pattern here. I'm feeling 3, possibly 4 balls of yarn in here. I have my computer over here. You may not be able to see it, but I have my computer over here on the side. So if I get the opportunity, I will look up the yarn to see what it is. And as you guys know, as in months past, this is not my first lap around the pool with Mary Maxim, so I am at the full price level, which is going to be the $22.94, and obviously the first month you get free, or not free, for $9.99, and then after that it's $14.99 plus shipping. This package is pretty full. I had a comment from Sandy down in my comments when I was talking about something else, and she had shared she'd already gotten her package. She got it yesterday and wasn't too fond. So Sandy, we'll see, is it the pattern you didn't like, or if it was the yarn? So we're going to see in a second. So yep, same price. So let's see what we got. Still coming in that nice plastic bag. Oh, this is different. This was not what I expected at all. Look at that. So, this was not what I expected. Sandy, is this what you got? Yeah, this was not at all what I expected. I saw the knit pattern go out, and it was a sweater, and these are low cuff slippers, and they can be made in small, medium, or large. Oh my goodness. Okay, definitely not what I expected. And the yarn this month, it looks like the pattern looks pretty easy. This looks like an easy pattern. If it's not, if there's some problems with the pattern, I will definitely put out a pattern video. But it comes with 5 balls of yarn. And the yarn that it comes with is Mary Maxim Titan, which I have never used before. Ooh, that's actually pretty soft. Mary Maxim Titan, and this hook size recommends, it looks like it's a K10. Is this acrylic? Let's see what it is. I'm curious, because I've never used this one. It is. This is 100% acrylic, 80 yards. So this is a red, which isn't bad. And then 4 skeins. This is a bulky weight. 4 skeins, and this color is, I'm not seeing it right away, guys. It's bound to be on here somewhere. It gives a number, 3910 blah blah blah, but it is a brown. And so the 2 colors together that they're giving, at least that I've gotten, is this red and this brown, and that red is coming true to color. It is a bright red and the brown. So all together, 8 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 80 times 5 is 400 yards. And it says you can make a small, medium, or large. Like I say, I've never used this. So let's look it up real quick and see what it is. I didn't expect, this yarn. I really did not. I expected that sweater. I was looking forward to the sweater. And then I got this, so this is really a surprise. So Mary Maxim Titan, it looks like, for this guys, 5 ounce bulky, 100% acrylic, 80 yards, as I've already shared. And it looks like they go for $3.59 per skein. That's what they go for. So 4 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these. 4 times 5 is 20, and then the pattern, so you are getting your money's worth. And then you're getting the pattern as well. So that's what's coming in today. So, and this is what's funny, guys. I actually need a pair of slippers. And I asked my kids to purchase me a pair of slippers for Christmas. And so, yeah, I will definitely be making them. Probably in the medium or large, whichever one it is. But it's actually funny that I needed a pair of slippers. But this is just totally a surprise, because I was so expecting the sweater. So anyway, that's what's in the Mary Maxim box for this month. I'm sure I'll be looking around at the other videos, then when they come out, see what you guys all have, so I can see what colors are in here. I'll look at that real quick on here. But it's showing red and brown on the picture. This is probably the first month I actually got the color that's in the picture. But yeah, it's saying brown and red. Size K hook, acrylic, and this looks pretty straightforward, guys. So yeah, so that's what's in the kit this month, guys. And I'll attach here. I did a review of the Spinelli and the Peruvian alpaca wool, so you can look at that. And I did some comparisons for the Peruvian alpaca, in case you do like that and you're looking for something else that's comparable. And that's what I had to share with you today. And have a fantastic day all, and I will chat with you next time.